Okay, so this is my first time filming outside in our new garden, so I have a sneaky suspicion that you're not going to be able to see anything, even though I can kind of see it, or hear anything. So I may have to refilm this anyway. But today I'm talking about Papergang box. I'm doing another unboxing, and this is from the July box. No, June box. June. I can't remember if it's the June or July box. I think it's the June. Oh no, it's the May box. I think this might even be the May box. I am quite behind, as you can tell, but if you've not been here before, I have had a 6-month subscription to Papergang. If you want to sign up as well, there's a link down in my description below. I thought I'd try it out. I've been unboxing these on the channel, reviewing them, and then now that my 6-month subscription is finished, I'm actually going to take out a different box, but I'm not sure which one it is yet. But this is a very colourful box. I think it's going to be quite fun inside, and kind of quite graphic. The print definitely seems more graphic rather than kind of styled or you know, subtle. It seems like quite a bright, quite graphic, and quite fun and young. So the first thing that I've picked up are 2 pages of stickers. Oh, this is way too bright. I think that's better. So I've picked up 2 pages of stickers. These are very bright, they're fun, they're fruit-based, they're like proper neon fruit. You know, I do like stickers. I use them. I think they're fun. The only thing is, I would say about these, they are just fruit. There's no no kind of use or purpose to them, so these are purely for decoration purpose. So it is fun, and I will use them. In the wee book it says these are $1.95 for 2 sheets, and I think that's a pretty reasonable price, and I think that yeah, I'm happy with that. I think that's value for money. Okay, this is a little bit controversial for me. They're like iron-on patches. It's weird when they try and do like crossover into the kind of fashion world for me, oh dear, because I don't think they do it that. So included just loose in the package, there's no packaging for these, so it doesn't look very professional really, and it maybe doesn't, you know, like I can't even gift these to other people. I think it looks a bit, but there's 3 patches. There's like a roller skating one, which is quite cute, a lemon, and a love heart with a face, so it's like an animated love heart. The RRP for these is $8.95. Yeah, it's not worth that in my opinion at all. Maybe if you're into patches, this would be something you use. I don't have patches, I don't use patches, I'm not into them, and there's part of me that thinks that if you were into patches, you'd probably rather pick your own, whereas like this is a stationary subscription box, and it's when they try and go outside that I never feel like they pull it off. Okay, so I like this next item. I think it's really fun. It's a birthday card, and it says, "Have a redonkulous birthday," and there is a party donkey. I think that's the only way to describe him. Maybe a fiesta donkey in full regala, and he's looking pretty fun. I like cards, especially ones that aren't silly or aren't like mean or crass. I think this is fun. I think it's a real purpose, and I'll use it, and I know probably a lot of other people will as well, so this is a good one for me. Price is $2.50, so average price of a card these days. I'm fine with that. I like it. So the Good Vibes Only kind of motif and design has repeated onto the big item in this month, which is this A5 notebook. I like it. It's kind of a linen fabric. I'm sure that's windy. It's like a linen fabric design. I'm under trees, so it must be noisy. And I was really excited when I got this, because I was like, love a notebook, will definitely use it, 100%. And I stand by that. I will definitely use it. Ooh. However, I do wish that it was plain inside, or just like a little bit more useful inside, because I'll show you in the close-up. It is like bright pink dots as lines, like dotted lines. They're kind of like biggish lines, but not too big, so that's fine. And then on the left hand side there's dates, which is fine, but then it's almost not set out like a functional planner, so you wouldn't use it as like an agenda sort of planner thing, but there is random dates up here which almost stop you using it as a normal kind of notebook. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Oh my god, the rains came on. I'm gonna have to be super quick now. We've not had rain in 6 weeks and I got outside to film a video and there's like a thunderstorm gonna start, I think. Basically that's my only concern about this notebook, is it's functional and I'll use it definitely. It's not one of the more frivolous or overly designed, overly feminine things that we've had in previous boxes, but I don't know, I just was like, if you're going to make it functional and add a date thing in there, why don't you just go the full hog and make it like to-dos and etc, etc. I don't know, super picky, I know. Okay, I've just filmed all my close-ups super quickly. I'm sorry this has got a bit rushed towards the end, so I'm just going to sign off. However, I do want to say I did quite like this box overall, even if the taste is not, even if the style is not maybe 100% my own personal taste, but I do think it's good in the fact I didn't find it was overly childish and kind of immature the way some was. I think it was just quite a fun design. The illustrations were fun. There's a really cool tiger on the front of the box, right? And I just wish, why didn't we see that? Why was it just neon fruit and love hearts? You know, I don't know why we didn't have the fun tiger or the unicorn, you know, stuff like that. You know, the outside of the box is really well designed. I just don't think it's reflected inside as much, and the items themselves I did quite like, except for the patches. Like, come on, you could at least put it in a packet so I could re-gift it to someone. I know that's awful, because I did spend it. It's not like I'm gifting a gift. I'm gifting something that I bought with my own money. Does that make sense? I don't know, does it? Leave your comments down below, please. I'm gonna go, it's raining now.